Ryan with ServiceMaster, and today we're working in a condo unit in the West Loop neighborhood that has water damage caused from a drain clog in a washing machine. Since the machine wasn't able to drain properly, water spread out throughout the unit, and we have a containment barrier set up to separate any damaged areas from unaffected areas. In this unit, we have to remove flooring and some drywall. As you can see, it's starting to buckle and we're getting wet readings across the floor as well as on the drywall. Now the reason we have to remove these is because there's a vapor barrier between the floor and the concrete. It's very difficult to dry between materials. Best way to mitigate properly is to remove everything and dry it out completely. Similarly with the drywall, we want to make sure that we can dry the framing behind it. In order to do that, we have to cut the bottom 2 feet. After removing the baseboards, you can see where the water was retained the most. And since it was in between the baseboard and the drywall, it starts to spread to both interiors. Since it's been over 72 hours, we do begin to notice mold growth, which is why it's important to mitigate your home properly. Often in condos, exterior walls do have double drywall, and similarly to the baseboard and the drywall, it's hard to dry in between the 2 layers. As you can see here, because these 2 layers were up to each other, the water moisture spread up and mold started to grow all across. We could already tell that the floors are water damaged because they're buckling and starting to separate. However, underneath, vapor barriers look at this, and underneath those, we can see where the water had traveled underneath the concrete. It's impossible to dry through this material, and we have to make sure to remove it to mitigate properly. If you're experiencing water damage caused by an in-unit laundry washer and dryer machine, give us a call at 773-647-1985.